So, to start off, for the record, I'm recording this entire video with the Babyface Pro FS just to give you an idea about the quality. So we've seen this audio interface, this upgraded version for the first time at NAMM 2020. So we finally got it in the office and we were really excited to unbox this one for you guys. So from the outside, it's not a really big update, only one small detail on the back, but we're going to show you that in a minute. So one thing I really like about this audio interface, that it comes with a carrying case. So the plastic case you see on the back, that's really handy to put it in your backpack. And this is really the kind of audio interface you want to put in your backpack, since it's so small, and a lot of people buy this one since it's so easy to travel with. So that's really a good thing that you don't see a lot with other audio interfaces. So it's a really solid case as well. So this way your audio interface won't get damaged if you put it in your backpack. Now let's see what we got in the box. So if you want to see the full list of all the improved specs, go to the site of RME. I will link it below and you can see all the really technical details of the hardware that they improved in the FS version. Really smartly put together, and still a small carrying pouch included. There we got the outputs and the two microphone inputs we can already see on the back of the Babyface Pro FS. And there is the device itself. It's just a very well built piece of gear put in a very small compact box. Now on the side we see the optical out and in, the MIDI that comes with a breakout cable, the powered and the USB power, the two outputs for your studio monitors, two microphone inputs, lock mechanism, headphone outputs, two of them, and two Hi-Z instrument inputs. And there is the big volume button on top of it. The buttons feel very well as well, and it's just a really nice interface to control easily on your desktop and still put in your backpack, so super quick. You can use the Babyface Pro FS with USB power, so you can connect external power if you use it in standalone mode, but that's not needed. You can just connect it on your computer and you're ready to go. And if we go look inside the box, we see two cables. It's the USB cable, of course, and the MIDI breakout cable we got there. So the new Babyface Pro FS is basically an upgrade compared to the old Babyface Pro. And the Babyface Pro FS is just an upgraded version, something you cannot really see from the outside. So it's really the internal hardware that they took to the next level. On the back is a dip switch. This is quite unique. You don't see it with many audio interfaces, but it's very handy. And if you have like a set of passive studio monitors that are really sensitive, then this is a really good feature to have on there. So, alright guys, leave a comment below what you think. Is it worth to upgrade or not? And thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys next time.